Hi there! In this video, I will be guiding you through how to request or check eligibility for a Robinhood debit or gold card when you're outside the USA, so you understand the process and any regional restrictions. So first, go ahead and go and open the Robinhood app or the Robinhood website. It really depends on the device that you are using. And once you're on Robinhood, then go ahead and go to your account or card section to see card availability for your country. Next, you will go ahead and check Robinhood Help Center or support pages for eligibility and shipping countries. Card availability varies by jurisdiction. After that, if cards are offered, then apply in app by following the card application steps and enter a valid shipping address. Then verify an identity or residency requirements requested by Robinhood. And finally, track card shipping within the app and activate the card once received. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.